All right, so the next part of the lesson, we're just going to practice identifying the type of function that we would be working with. So for our first problem, since there is a squared, I know that this is a quadratic equation. And just for practice, I know that it's going to make a U shape. And the vertex of it, since there is no grouping symbol, h is 0 since it's not there, and our k value is 3. So that would be the vertex of our U shape where it's coming together. The next one, so there's no square term, no absolute value, so this has to be linear. So again, when I graph this, it's going to be some type of diagonal line. So since it's a line, there's no point where it comes together. There can't be a vertex for that one. All right, 3, we just have a number, so this is a constant. So that means when we graph it, it's going to be some type of horizontal line. Again, looking at this one, there's no square term, there's no absolute value, so this has to be linear. So some type of diagonal line. 5, we can see our absolute value symbol, so we should know that it's going to make some type of V shape. And then if we, again, practice just finding our vertex to get used to it, we don't have an h inside with x, so our h is 0 again, and then k is 8. So our vertex would be at 0, 8. So where that V shape right here comes together. And the last one, so that square term tells us that it's quadratic. And since it's quad, it has to make a U shape. And our vertex for this one is the opposite of h, so it's going to be a -2. And since our k value isn't there, it is 0. All right, 7, if we look at our graph, so U shape, this is going to be a quadratic. V shape is absolute value. And a diagonal line is linear. So that's how we would go through and identify the type of function that we are working with.